we're digging through things, trying to find, is there life insurance? Is there, other assets we don't know about? And so we found a safe deposit box key with no identifying bank. And so we go to the two banks that he absolutely banks at, no box. And so I'm thinking, he probably had a box, but when it came time to close the box, he couldn't find a key and all this clutter. And so he paid the fee to the bank to drill it out. And so be it. But my wife, she's a little bit more tenacious than I am. And so she kept scratching at that itch. And 2 weeks later, after calling every financial institution, banks, credit unions within the geographic radius, we found a box on the north side of the city where he had no other accounts. And the only people that knew he had that box there was the bank and him. And of course, he wasn't talking anymore. So when we got into that box, we found 752 paper shares of IBM stock in that box. We'd have never found it. It would be that, which was worth back in 2013, it was about $130,000, $140,000. If we'd never found that key, or if it just gotten tossed or whatever, that money would be sitting in the state treasury somewhere.
That's exactly how it happens, right?
Until you one day have an aha moment and say, oh, I should search for unclaimed property.
Yeah. When does that randomly pop into your head? But that's why there's $70 billion still sitting in there right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we've got this incredible product that makes this huge difference in families' lives when they're going to need it the most. So how does a notary entrepreneur who goes through the certification program with My Life and Wishes, what do they actually do with this? How did these two come together? Walk me through it.
Well, that's great. So what we did, and I say we, you and I created this just a little over 2 years ago, Bill. You opened my eyes to the notarial world and the opportunities that existed. And so we created a way that our certified legacy vault advisors can make this available to the general public. I mean, it could be current clients, past clients, family, friends, neighbors, people in the civic groups, BNI, Chamber of Commerce, your congregation at your church. Because at the end of the day, everyone is going to pass, and making this available is probably one of the most precious final gifts, I think, that people can leave for families. The one question that a lot of people, or statement that I get from a lot of our partners is, oh, hey, John, I'm not a salesperson. This isn't about selling. It's simply about conversations. And so we teach, mentor our partners into how to have those right conversations with people. That's just part of the natural flow. We provide them with the materials, videos, everything that they need to share with people. Because when you ask someone, if you didn't make it home tonight, is your family going to know where to find the estate documents we just signed?
Yeah.
And what about your Facebook account? Does not to take that down or get into your Gmail or your Google Drive? And everyone says, nope, they don't. Mm-hmm. And so for our partners, it's just, instead of, collecting a mileage fee and a $30 stamp, or if it's a trust, $250, and that this is a way that they can add to that appointment up to another $500.
Yeah.
With the program, by making it available, having the conversation. And when people hear it, they say, oh, I need that.
And that's exactly true.